Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm just going to show you guys this bomb CURLYME wig that I had got installed. So CURLYME had a Black Friday sale and they sent me this cute little box. I think I got a WATERWAVE 26-inch wig, HD lace. I just wanted to show you guys the packaging because it's super cute. They gave me little gifts. Like, it was so cute. They had gave me a melting band, 2 wig caps, some lashes, and some edge brush. I think that's an edge brush. Yeah, so I'm just showing you guys the package. CURLYME is the bomb when it comes to hair. Like, if you're looking for bundles, go to CURLYME. Okay. Yeah, they need to sponsor me too, because the book, this is free. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all my girl Zenobia install my wig. So yeah. So yeah, this is the wig before. It's eating so hard. I love it so much. Like, girl, I can't wait. Should I do a middle part, half up, half down? Like, I don't know what to do with this wig. Like, it's just so full. All right, y'all, I'm on the way to my appointment. I just had to put a beanie on real quick. This is the outfit. I don't know, shades or no shades. I'm about to put it on for y'all. Hold up. Alright. Shades or no shades. My man ain't like them, but I like them. What y'all think? So I'm gonna vlog my hair appointment, because why not? I don't feel like doing my own install, so why not? I don't feel like my glasses. I don't care what y'all say. They are kind of big. I don't care. The fuck? Boo!
Not even her. She coming this bitch straight.
Ball head. I need a wig. It's cold.
I'm so much joy, got me in there. So tell me there's nothing that I want that I just want you. If I can't have you, no one should have mine. I like it white, got the best idea. It's the business, how I get here. I like it my ex, I still love him though. Rather be in jail than
for watching. Follow my girl. What's your Instagram?
My Instagram is Zenobia Queen. Tap the fucking.
Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Bye.